Hello and welcome to Pay Academy. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best online resource where you can learn about Facebook ads. So if you're interested in learning about Facebook ads, either you want to learn about Facebook ads for your own business or services so that you can promote it on Facebook to take advantage of the good number of traffic that you can get from Facebook, or you want to learn Facebook ads so that you can offer it as a service, then do make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be sharing you two free resources that you can get started with right now that to give you all of the information that you need as long as Facebook ads is concerned, so that at the end of this of the courses, you're going to be a pro when it comes to running Facebook ads, so you can run Facebook ads successfully. You know what I mean? Facebook ads that will give you results, because if you don't have the right information, you just keep wasting money on Facebook without getting any result that you want. So if that interests you, I encourage you to watch the video to the end. And if courses I'm going to be recommending, I'm going to leave a link to them in the description of this video so that you can just click on them and get started immediately. Like I said, they are absolutely free courses. Okay, so before we get into it, if you are new to PA Academy or you are yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly click on that subscribe button. You just find somewhere below the video, you see the option to subscribe. Or if you're watching on PC or desktop, at the lower right of your screen, you see an option, a red icon with subscribe written on it. Just click on it to subscribe to the channel. So kindly do that right now. All right, so thank you very much if you have just done that, and let me know in the comment section if you've just subscribed. All right, so now let's get into it. What's the first course I'm recommending? So this is it, Facebook advertising for beginners. So you can see this is a beginner course when it comes to Facebook advertising. It says free online course on how to launch your Facebook ad campaign and target your ideal Facebook audience. Exactly, that's very important. You know, Facebook has billions of users in it. That's a lot of users in it. So you need to be specific with the kind of people that you are targeting and for the purpose of the ads. If not, you just keep wasting money. You run the ads and you're not getting results. So for you to avoid that, you actually need a course that will put you through, and this is one of the courses that comes highly recommendable. Okay, so if you look at this course, that's almost 50,000 learners already enrolled, and it's a 1 to 3 hours course. Exactly. So in this course, you will learn how to list the steps needed to launch your first Facebook ad campaign, identify the avoidable common mistakes made by new advertisers, describe the preparation needed for a new page to running ads, explain what makes appealing ads, outline, and texts. So all of this together and more are what you're going to be learning in this course. So now let's take a look at the course modules. So the course is divided into 9 modules. So once you come here, and then the module 1 talks about the course introduction. That's an introductory part into the course. Important information about Facebook advertising. Module 3 is talking about getting ready to run Facebook ad campaign. And then module 4 talks about custom conversions. Module 5, landing page compliance. Module 6, types of Facebook ad. There are different types of Facebook ads. That all of these are what you're going to be unveiled to you in this course. Setting up campaign and launch the ad, and finally you're going to be taking up the course assessment. So once you take up the course assessment and then you hit the pass mark, then you can come over here to get your certificates, because these courses are courses that's going to earn you certificates, and the certificates will be of immense benefit to you, especially if you want to be offering Facebook ads as a service. Exactly, you want to be offering Facebook ad service to businesses and organizations that actually needs it. Okay, so you can see one of the reviews here. It says this course is good for who wants to start digital marketing. So if you want to start digital marketing, that for yourself or for as a service, or if you want to start a marketing agency, you know, do make sure you look into this course. So I'll leave a link to it in the description. So once you come up on this page, just go ahead and click on start course now, and then you're on your way to starting your journey in the world of Facebook ads. So this is the first one. Now the second one is learn how to master Facebook ads for beginners and experts. Okay, so this particular course is if you have a basic knowledge of running Facebook ads, exactly, and you want to really know more about it to become an expert, then this course comes highly recommendable. So it says learn how effective Facebook ad campaign can change the course of your business in this free online course. So it's a free course on Facebook ads. Okay, so over 20,000 learners already enrolled, and it's a 5 to 6 hours of learning. So the course will take about 5 to 6 hours. So you should expect enough in-depth information and knowledge about everything that has to do with Facebook ad, not just about, you know, going to your ad manager, or you go to your business.facebook.com and then you just do select one or select the campaign and everything. No, this is more in-depth. Exactly, it's taking you from beginners level to an expert level when it comes to Facebook ads. Okay, so these are the things that the course is going to put you through. You're going to learn how to list the different stages of Facebook marketing sophistications, states the formula for creating profitable Facebook ads, distinguish between business manager and ad manager. So there are two different things, and the difference are going to be explained to you in this course. Explain how to create custom Facebook audience. Exactly. So how do you create custom Facebook audience, and how do you reuse them? Exactly. So this is a topic I'm also familiar with, so that's why I can also recommend this course to you. Okay, so now let's look at the course module. It is divided into 5. The first one talks about Facebook ad mastery introduction, Facebook ad foundation. That's module 2. Module 3 talks about creating profitable Facebook ads. I'm sure that is what you want. You don't just want to create Facebook ads that won't give you results. Exactly. It's because I actually know how it feels, creating ads that didn't just give you any results. It's just as if you wasted money. However, but if you have a good knowledge and of Facebook ads, the chances of you losing money is very minimal. Okay, so creating custom Facebook audiences, and then the course assessments. Okay, so good course. These are reviews from people that have also completed the course. So with that, guys, these are the 2 courses that I'm actually recommending for you if you want to kickstart your journey into the world of Facebook ads. Kindly check out these 2 courses. They're absolutely free, so it won't cost you anything, just your time and then your dedication to Facebook ads. And then, even if you have a very low budget, you can get started with it just to test everything and to make sure that you are getting it right. So with that, I hope you find value in this. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. And if you find value, also give it a thumbs up. Just give it that thumbs up to the video. And with that, I wish you success in your journey in Facebook ads, and then I'll see you all in another video. So thank you very much, and then bye for now.